Welcome to our video on the physics of brushless DC motors. We will explore why this technology, often called the future of power, is revolutionizing electrical engineering. We are witnessing the end of the brush era. Traditional mechanical commutation is being phased out in favor of more advanced electronic systems. A brushless DC motor is an electronically commutated motor using a permanent magnet rotor and a wound stator. The fundamental principle is the Lorentz force, which eliminates physical contact, friction, and spark generation. Brushed motors use carbon brushes and a commutator ring, leading to maintenance needs and EMI noise. The brushless future uses an electronic speed controller, allowing for higher RPMs and software-defined torque curves. Brushless DC motors boast a typical efficiency of 90%. This matters because BLDC motors remain cool under load, allowing for higher power density in smaller housings, like power tools and electric vehicles. The core design of a BLDC motor involves a magnetic flip, placing the magnets on the rotor and the windings on the stator. This inside-out design dissipates heat through the outer casing, making the tools more compact without sacrificing torque. The holy trinity of BLDC motor components includes the stator, which creates the rotating magnetic field, the rotor, which follows that field, and the controller, the brain that switches the current sequence. BLDC motors offer significantly longer lifespans, exceeding 10,000 hours compared to 2,000 hours for brushed motors. The BLDC lifespan is primarily limited by bearing wear, not by electrical components. Position sensing, often achieved through the Hall effect, ensures precise detection of the rotor position for smooth startup. Sensorless motors use back EMF for position calculation, allowing for dynamic torque adjustment. Comparing the two, brushless motors offer zero maintenance, extremely low EMI noise, optimized torque per watt, and low heat generation on the outer shell, making them superior for professional use. This technology is driving the modern industry shift across various applications, including high-torque cordless power tools, quiet and powerful e-mobility solutions, and energy-saving industrial HVAC systems.